Hello everyone. Today's topic is quantum computing, the future of unbreakable encryption. What if the strongest encryption protecting your data becomes useless overnight? Computers are almost here, and they could break or crack your codes in just a second. Unlike normal computer that use bits like 0 and 1, but quantum computers uses qubits which can be 0 and 1 at the same time. That makes them insanely powerful for certain tasks. With algorithm like Shor, a powerful quantum machine could break RSA and ECC encryption that the math behind online banking messages and passwords. But don't panic. Scientists are already building post-quantum cryptography, new locks designed to survive quantum attacks. Quantum is coming fast. Will we be ready for this type of encryption we have to face in the future? Subscribe for more cybersecurity and quantum tech for my channel. Thank you.